11.2a, not surprisingly, picks up where 11.2a Part 1 ended, which was preparing a statement of retained earnings. The $270,000, the beginning balance, is given to us in the information from the text. That's where that number comes from. So check your text, make sure you see where that number came from. Then, if you remember, the last transaction we did was this one, where we closed income summary to retained earnings, $388,000. So we need to add that $388,000. That gives us a subtotal of $658,000. Now, we declared dividends, but remember, we declared dividends twice for a total of $152,000. So we have to get both of those dividends for a total of $152,000. Also, if you remember right, we had some treasury stock. We sold the treasury stock. We wiped out all of the additional paid-in capital from the treasury stock, and we had to dip into our retained earnings, so we have to make sure we get that. So, when you do all the gazintas and the gazaltas, 658 minus 152 minus 15, our ending balance of retained earnings is $504,500. And these problems are not difficult if you do them step by step. If you try to dive in and do the whole problem without going step by step, line by line, piece by piece, it makes it much more difficult.